Do you love coffee but aren't sure how it affects your body? Right now, we'll reveal all the secrets so you won't have any doubts. We'll explain how coffee impacts each organ, especially the liver, as it's one of the most important organs in our body. First off, if you don't drink coffee every day, you're missing out on many beneficial nutrients and microelements. Recent studies have confirmed that coffee's benefits go beyond just its antioxidant effects. Today, people drink coffee for its great taste and aroma, and to feel more energized. But do we all know the true value of coffee? Let's explore this together. The full composition of coffee is now well known. It contains caffeine, trigonelline, nitrogenous substances, lipids, carbohydrates, organic acids, trace elements, and vitamins. Together, these components have the following effects on our bodies. Enhances physical activity. Caffeine, the main active component of coffee, is a naturally occurring alkaloid that stimulates the central nervous system, enhancing physical performance and increasing endurance. Boosts brain function. Caffeine enhances cognitive functions such as attention, concentration, memory, and reaction time. Coffee helps us feel more alert and stay productive at work and in our daily lives. Lowers the risk of chronic diseases. Did you know that regular coffee consumption can help reduce the risk of developing conditions like type 2 diabetes, Alzheimer's disease, and even some types of cancer? This is primarily due to its antioxidant properties, which help protect the body from the buildup of free radicals. Improves mood. Drinking coffee in the morning can improve your mood for the entire day. Caffeine stimulates the production of endorphins and serotonin, which are responsible for good mood and a sense of satisfaction. Therefore, moderate consumption of ground coffee beans can help boost your mood and cope with mild depression. Reduces heart disease risk. While caffeine can raise blood pressure in the short term, regular consumption lowers the risk of heart diseases such as heart attack and ischemic disease. This is due to the antioxidants and organic acids in coffee beans, which have a beneficial effect on the cardiovascular system. Protects the liver. Natural coffee helps protect the liver from conditions such as cirrhosis, non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, hepatitis, and liver cancer. Regular consumption has a cumulative effect, making a cup of this invigorating drink a great addition to your breakfast. We'll discuss the effects of coffee on the liver in more detail later. Lowers the risk of Parkinson's disease. Regular coffee consumption reduces the risk of developing Parkinson's disease. This is because coffee contains organic compounds and acids that help protect the brain's nerve cells from damage. Scientists note that coffee drinkers are 18% less likely to develop this disease. These are just some of the many benefits that coffee offers. Thanks to its rich composition, coffee beans can be used to make not only a delicious but also a healthy drink. However, like any product, it should be consumed in moderation. Too much coffee can lead to unwanted side effects such as insomnia, anxiety, and increased blood pressure. How does coffee affect the liver? The liver is an essential organ responsible for processing food, cleansing the blood, and eliminating toxins. It also produces bile, which helps break down fats and improves digestion. Coffee contains numerous active components, including caffeine, antioxidants, and polyphenols. These substances positively impact liver cells, enhancing their function and protecting them from damage. Benefits of coffee for the liver. Reduced risk of cirrhosis. Several international studies have shown that coffee consumption is associated with a lower risk of developing cirrhosis, a serious disease that can impair liver function and even lead to death. Prevention of fatty liver disease. Coffee helps prevent fatty liver disease, which occurs when excess fat builds up in the liver. Protection from alcoholic intoxication. Coffee effectively protects the liver from alcoholic intoxication and aids in quicker recovery from poisoning. Reduced cancer risk. Moderate coffee consumption lowers the risk of developing cancer by an average of 10%. Do you drink natural coffee? Share in the comments how many cups a day you find optimal for yourself. How does coffee affect blood vessels? Naturally, the impact of coffee isn't limited to just the liver. Due to its high content of the natural alkaloid caffeine, coffee has a stimulating effect. Regular intake helps eliminate fatigue, enhances blood circulation, and stimulates the functions of the cardiovascular system. However, coffee doesn't affect all blood vessels in the same way. Caffeine has a vasodilating effect on the veins, arteries, and the blood vessels of the heart and kidneys. Conversely, it has a vasoconstricting effect on the blood vessels of the digestive system. This helps improve the breakdown of food, normalize digestion, and stimulate intestinal peristalsis. Additionally, coffee causes the blood vessels of the pelvic organs to constrict, which can make menstruation less painful. Most notably, caffeine strongly constricts the blood vessels in the brain. A cup of coffee can relieve spasms, headaches, and discomfort during bad weather. A small dose of caffeine in the blood improves a person's overall condition. However, coffee is not recommended for people with chronic vascular diseases or those suffering from vegetative vascular dystonia. The best and worst foods to pair with coffee. Did you know that coffee can be harmful when paired with certain foods? Let's explore the 3 worst food pairings with coffee for cancer and dementia prevention, and the 3 best pairings that can help us live healthier lives. Worst food pairings with coffee. Sweet coffee drinks, like vanilla lattes. Many people enjoy sweetened coffee drinks after a meal. However, these drinks contain a lot of sugar, powdered creamers, and synthetic additives. The excessive sugar is the main problem. After consuming a meal rich in carbs and sugar, adding a sugary coffee drink raises your blood sugar levels even more. This spike increases insulin resistance and leaves extra sugar in your bloodstream. This leftover sugar acts as glycotoxins, causing inflammation in your blood vessels, which can lead to cancer. If this sugar reaches the liver, it can cause fatty liver disease. In the brain, it can shrink the hippocampus, responsible for memory, reducing brain size and leading to dementia. Moreover, increasing insulin resistance can directly lead to diabetes, obesity, high blood pressure, and other metabolic issues. The creamy powder in these drinks can easily turn into visceral fat in your body, making sweet coffee drinks after meals a bad habit for your waistline and cholesterol levels. Medication. This includes supplements and prescription drugs. Some people might think that because coffee's caffeine speeds up metabolism, it might make their medicine work faster. However, this is not the case. Drinking coffee with medication can render the medicine ineffective and cause serious health issues. Caffeine can block beneficial ingredients in supplements from being absorbed in your stomach, making them useless. Mixing coffee with prescription drugs can lead to even bigger problems. For instance, common medications like aspirin and stomach medicine can increase stomach acid and cause severe irritation when taken with coffee. Cold and cough medicines that contain caffeine can make your heart race and raise blood pressure, leading to emergencies like arrhythmias and brain hemorrhages. Additionally, coffee's diuretic effect can overburden your kidneys when taken with diuretics. Chocolate. While a sweet chocolate cake with a cup of Americano can be delicious, and some pair dark chocolate with coffee for diet purposes, this combination can lead to serious problems. Both chocolate and coffee are full of caffeine. Consuming them together can result in excessive caffeine intake, causing severe stimulation effects and increasing the risk of arrhythmias. The American Heart Association warns that excessive caffeine intake can lead to serious heart issues. Therefore, it's better to enjoy chocolate and coffee separately. Best food pairings with coffee. Cinnamon. In Mexico, adding a cinnamon stick to coffee is a traditional health and longevity secret. Coffee is rich in antioxidants called polyphenols, which strengthen blood vessels and reduce inflammation. Cinnamon is also packed with these antioxidants. Combining coffee and cinnamon creates an incredible synergy, helping to improve blood circulation and nourish joints. You can either stick a cinnamon stick in your coffee or mix in about half a teaspoon of cinnamon powder. Milk. Many enjoy adding milk to their coffee to make lattes or cappuccinos. Adding milk not only softens the bitterness and acidity of coffee, but also enhances its health benefits. Coffee's diuretic effect can cause calcium loss in your body. Milk, being rich in calcium, counteracts this downside. Additionally, milk creates a protective layer in the stomach and neutralizes acidity. It's an excellent choice to add protein and balance the nutritional value of your coffee. Nuts. Coffee is great for brain health and preventing dementia. The caffeine in coffee stops the formation of tau proteins, which can cause dementia. The antioxidants in coffee protect and regenerate brain nerve cells, boosting cognitive abilities and memory. Pairing nuts with your coffee creates an amazing synergy. Nuts like walnuts, almonds, and peanuts are full of nutrients and unsaturated fatty acids, which activate brain cells, boost memory, and clear fats from your blood vessels. This ensures better blood flow and more oxygen for your brain. Instead of sugary mixed coffees, choose unbrewed or filtered coffee and add a sprinkle of cinnamon or nutmeg for a healthy twist. Avoid taking supplements or prescription drugs with your coffee, but feel free to enjoy it with milk. Skip the chocolate and coffee combo and pair your coffee with nuts to boost your brain health. When does coffee harm the body? Unfortunately, like all beneficial products, coffee can be harmful to the body in large quantities. When is it dangerous? If you don't have severe cardiovascular diseases, coffee will generally have a positive impact on your body. A couple of cups a day won't harm your health. However, in the presence of serious heart conditions, even a small amount of caffeine can cause severe chest pain. Therefore, it's best to avoid coffee if you have hypertension to prevent blood pressure spikes. Caffeine is also contraindicated for those with angina, tachycardia, aneurysms, and glaucoma. General contraindications for coffee: pregnancy and breastfeeding. Caffeine crosses the placenta and enters breast milk, which can negatively affect the baby's health. Insomnia and other sleep disorders. Caffeine has a stimulating effect which can disrupt normal sleep patterns. Gastritis and stomach ulcers. With high acidity, coffee can aggravate these conditions. Certain medications. Coffee can interfere with contraceptives, antidepressants, and diuretics. Additionally, some people have individual intolerance to coffee, which can also lead to negative consequences. If you're unsure whether you should drink coffee, it's best to consult with a doctor. Overall, coffee is a healthy, versatile, and delicious beverage that has a comprehensive impact on the entire body. It can help prevent many diseases, keep you alert, and make you more active. To diversify its taste and aroma, you can add a bit of honey, a slice of lemon, or some cinnamon to your coffee. We wish you good health, energy in the mornings, and a boost of energy throughout the day. You can find many interesting videos about the benefits and harms of vegetables and fruits, as well as diseases and their treatments. So please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon. I would also appreciate it if you could like this video and share it with your family and friends.